Ebusiafo, good evening. Good evening. Ebusiafo, good evening. Me pacho weigh a quick answer. I weigh a quick answer. Me cry my phone says na it could be a net 2 TV. And I may say, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. I can't send be a me person me bab on ten and me be clarify. But your way a quick answer. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong etse net 2 TV says di matem can't say ma minim hoshe. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Mr. Me pacho. I am not blackmailing anybody. I am not blackmailing anybody. Please, I am not blackmailing anybody. What is all this? Adena sebe pennyfu amubetimi aye me papa. More tempt me sir. What is all this? Dia ya di mini me madudu ai di mini omo mu di mini mi chele what na wo kan. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, me interview bi am come life story o. Me free baby na ma pie baby o. Me free baby na ma be pie baby o. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, enye me fiti ya na me be Tracy Boakye o. Na me podan na me wo. I am not blackmailing anybody. Please. I am not blackmailing anybody. Say next time when you be man na mahama bonani so don't create problem for me. A plus ni me da A plus oye kwata. Ana A plus ni na yabubu. Ana me a virgin. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, me nya virgin o. Me nya virgin. I have sex. I go out. I have boyfriends. Why do you go and sit on your TV and insult me? Why? Obia a video. Go and take your baby. I'm coming. Put this in your mouth. I'm coming. Okay. Obia a video. And you just judge by the video and say all sort of things to me. Sit on your TV. I crack it to me. I want me TV. So I know if I respond to you, people will bring info to you. I don't care. Kennedy Agyapong, me a virgin. I am not a virgin. I date. Of course, me dating me a relationship. But why do you sit on your TV and insult me? I didn't know who did matem. Say stupid girl na chelewate. And so what? After all, chelewate na mission. I am not like this today. By God's grace. You listen to one side of a story, come and sit on your TV and insult me. As in say me your classmate Anna, you are a big man. I don't respect him, mommy and continue to respect him. Why? I don't respect him, mommy and continue. Now you respect him. Do you even have to have time for me? Me, oh yeah, I'm back to say me. Kennedy Agyapong, you don't have to have time for me. I'm a little girl. Me ya crack it to her. I am one of your daughters. You don't have to have me whole time to come and sit on TV and respond to me. What is the meaning of all this insult you are throwing at me? I am not blackmailing anybody. I am not blackmailing anybody. If you were man blackmailing or be na minya ye, now be obe na no say me blackmailing or be na minya ye no. Me didn't some in the menyame. Me pese me bodua. Me pese me bodua na me fancy boafu me biem because already know dia me ye me guso me pa ho chew. Enti me pese me misbehave biem. Please leave me out of your issue. I am not a virgin. I am not married. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, me worry you. And to say me 1,000 in me ada me body. I am not shy of it. Am I still the Tracy Boakye you think you knew me? At least I've made good use of a DNA. So please, whatever A plus told you, maintain free A plus, but you can believe it. Leave me alone. Kennedy Agyapong, leave me alone. What is the meaning of I'm blackmailing somebody? My blackmailing of you on top of your leg side. My blackmailing of you on top of your East Leg on Amami. Really? Do you think that is how I am? Is it because I've been quiet over this whole issue? Do you think that is how I am? If you are doing your politics, I want to know who did the NDC for attempt that? What the NDC for a problem that? Leave my name out of it. You may be free, move. Please. The next thing you will do is say, you have new information, God knows, me. I don't have any audio, I don't have any video against President Mahama, and I will never do that. Please, me won't pen or shame you. Stop giving my boyfriend's credit to John Mama. Stop, enough is enough. Stop giving my boyfriend's credit. Me kasa ya no because me you need for NDC. And to me person me responded to BBR. Me wo audio ni me wo video. Obi si wo wa ofamra. Me da obi a so o video. Any audio say me Tracy Boakye. Me dey blackmailing president. No offer Brabantine. What are they waiting for? Dear Dre obi be enti confirm. Dear Edwin, Obi will be here. After the Amiya say, why do you listen to some story and just come and sit on your TV station and insult me? Why? You just listen to something, go and sit on net too and insult me? Say, me blackmailing President Mahama. Say, Nyanko Pong was so on dire. He should strike all of us. You better try to me soon, Mrs. Agrada Crab Boma. Say, Papa was so high. Why? I don't know what you want to say, ever see me so. Am I your classmate? I'm your daughter. Do you have to even have me whole time to go and sit on net too? Nyabwa Wednesday, Opa, for documents are dear Mabra, and my money me that I don't care. I am not a virgin, and I did me no me man for so. Me were 29 years. I am proud of whatever I have achieved and the mistakes I've made in my life. I am proud. I am a dresser who can say, me tell what to bomb it to, and then Yamia me a free moon. I come at Diobia pain, or Bia was story pain. So please, leave me out of your issue. Leave me out. Nigel Gaze, women and Nigel Gaze in on another. Nigel Gaze, why you kata? Please, leave my issue. I beg you. When you will end this your problem, Dada? Jaja, who you know? And the Lord in Mama, Mama Lord in Mama, show us soon. What have I done? My day. What is all this? Now my boyfriend to home, me relationship. I am moving on with my life. Then you go and sit on your TV station to create problem for me? What is this? Because the enemy and don't think say, Mama Kennedy Agyapong what's not the TV so I did my time. I can all sort of things to me. Why? Said your mama giant no for your person or the baby or the baby also the obedient. There is nothing there for obedient. There is no audio, there is no video. I don't have anything to do with the former president. Enough is enough. I don't have anything to do with him. Who shiny man, he said your mama. Me benchla, he said your mama. You are creating problems for me. Stop it. I try to ignore, but the way you are going too far with my issue. What is it? Oh no, Tracy Boakye, tell a bonnet to Ufriana Baye Kennedy Agyapong. Ufitiana Nyamishra war. Obia was story in life. Everybody has a story in life. And I am proud of who I am today. I am proud of who I am today. Same blackmailia, Nyankopon, ma won shrabi biem. Same me blackmailia. Now catch me say baby, papa no baby your mama di me frebe do say me ya me sa. Ada ya sisa ada me tie. I don't have anything to do with President Mama. Please. I don't have anything. Is it because he be a person my edina? Because I've been advised to keep quiet. Enough is enough. Ukumi na wunyame nkumi biem. Bopa ni emekume. Ukumi na. Ubesa benyame nkumi ochena. Ena che uti so awu didi matam sa no. Why? Aden. Uyem ba to say me e na wo je free me ho. Leave my issue. Agyapong, leave my issue. Obia want the problem. Don't leave yours and come and talk about me. Leave my issue, please. And I'm channel bomb it up. What does show on TV? It's in my life, you know. Start off my topic, Nebra. You are still on TV. Go and bring my topic back. And I'm channel bomb it to Tracy Boakye. Now free Kumasi, another player Agyapong. Now I'm not that form. And I'm a stress ready. Madam, your breath said that be also your breath on me, your breath for Bussa be on me. Bussa be on me, Santua from Incredible, me your breath for. But I'm not just a me from Penasua, obey me free. I make good use of empanametry. Me your breath for, but over me life, when I'm using me was catch up. I must have told you because I'm dating you. That is me. Me blackmail your mama, said your mama, why am I dying? I don't peace of mind. No one in the campaign. Go and put this on her mouth. I'm coming, okay?
I learned how to carry issues.
No, don't carry her. Just put it on my mouth. I'm coming, okay?
And I'll show you how I carry it.
Don't carry her.
Fine.
Good boy. Obi oni mi bia nim how I me brefo. Me pa chaw. Me metina wo TV so cancer ma woni ho hwe. Because you think you have high security, you are Kennedy Agyapong, whatever. Please. Send me slady crampa me ma wo ho. No matter how rich you are, you don't feed me. You don't feed me. Aya mo man kra mu ade. Aya mo man kra nketwa emu ade na mo ha adwen. Aya mo man kra nketwa mu ade na nya obi na aka na asem obeka na no atoma hwe. Aya obi na ahya space. Ebetena TV so kana asem a obeka wa no atoma hwe obi no ye chen. Obi no ye chen wo. It is level me wa ha no say. Some people are mean. Na se wo come wie biem na ade eche na besa benya me funu asa akoni biem a adan why do you say things you have no idea about? Video chrono, what is it waiting for? Audio chrono, what is it waiting for? Bring it out. Na mami lodi na tini baby dia wo yen ade adwe na wo de hye mami ni tirim about me. Ade adwe na wo de hye mami ni tirim about me. What meaning Hoshe? Meaning Asama Wuken. Meaning Hoshe. I have video. I have audio. Jaman wa de ba mane famra. Share, please oh. Mane so afia shwas nigga na o ma ayo muso no. Don't bring it to me. And for mama so because me the other can see ye me. Me so the ye me no man making good use of it. I have made good use of a dear ye me. Kennedy Agyapong. Me family trying to show. My fans, me are very sorry, but this issue I'll not keep quiet. Kennedy Agyapong, Tracy Boakye, me channel, me fan chicho. I am a dasa walk and what me can say, me free kumase, me partner Lakeside, my partner is Legon, at least one who say my yebi. Before me 30 years, no, I say yebiaka home. No, I say I yebiaka home. Said the offer girl, Uchiano, Sana Penny movie so far me or shame. Leave John Mohammed Slim out. So what's the investigation? Now the Biafra documents I do go a man for any masia for family diabra. Kwana for family diabra. Who can we have an age and I feel so who many masse. Who feels so who many masse? Me pacha me down to me many massio because I know be a here enemy. I am not under anybody. What's in that too? Kwasha or I say see, who feels a see an abasha media. Me chow say I can see a kind one. Yes, you to check crowd. Ya kasa ye kan ye hu bo Ghana ha. Yes, you to check out. You to check attention ni bi. E hu na ehia. Obi aye ma de. Ma ba bonten, ma beka sorry. The moment you just put it on me because say asem I've decided not to talk about it. Me say me nkasa. Me wo audio, me wo video nka Nyankopon ko ntua me ka. Say me audio, me video, me de blackmail John Mahama, say John Mahama, wa pama de no ontua ya na. Papa no, e de no why me? Me blackmailing no, that is my question. Adenti me nsuanya me. Me nsuanya me wo obey ni video say de amuka ho asem yi e wo ho no ma, nti ka me dampa nka metimi ada. Ade yesi me mu ade ana, ana yesi me nsuanya me. Is it because I've been quiet? Me tell what about me too. Any shame, me tell what about me too. And Nyankopon dim puntu aba me life me. God has blessed me. And na any shame krano me nje wo honi. Me nje wo honom endi. Na tu mo change channel no, mo change topic no, mo san famra me so. Mo san famra me so. Say Tracy Boakye we share. Bra, obetimi awo me tie na me de dawo. Because you can be my father. Every when you tell me papa only 60 years. Please, you are somebody I respected. Please, Kennedy Agyapong, me count. Don't come and create problem for me. And you protect a woman. Don't create problem for me. And you protect a woman. Na sebe NDC for am text me mo from me mo threaten me for back no am the messages at to screen so me ni sheka 2016 na me ba 1 year me amafo di mechi amafo be gina me wo so ne ebe mekome because me yekumase ni ubuso obi a watonso a ombeka che se NPP for meeting me fie ne ye no me na fie watonso me na NPP for ho sei na me call NDC meeting na se na NDC for say ye twa ntwa to me so enti omo sumpo na wo se nko omo support me no omo send me text message me se me jai bibia menya me na se nkie kumi a me ye se me ba kokunku obra eso na mi su no enye Kennedy Agyapong di attempt na mi su eya wo makoma mu e ma me party for nti na mi su enye wo didi atam no nti na mi su na bra me de me kwa to so ma NDC Kumasi ni ba papa ya friend say ko Kofi Juma just a man ko di fie say me twa mo Kofi Juma na o de wa ma me na metimi akọ Kofi Juma fie I left these people for you NDC mi jai Kumasi for ebedi mochi and I must say they are more threatening me ni sheka na sa papa we was so wa me see akatua me deserve you for me na akatua obia ni ho adwebọ ni woni tim so no on for ma no 2016 ye hunu me mo fra me aka cha me say Tracy Boakye ni hunu na did you call me and then mo say dey me blackmail obi na video call na wey audio no away Kennedy Agyapong asema woni memeka bi asema woni memeka bi ti no bi na ho na ka bone kurobu a ho na owuka yesi wa anyade ohwe anye no eye bone ne ntwa etwa to nipa so Kennedy Agyapong stay out of my problems stay out sani chele bi o hihye na Tracy Boakye we share bra you don't feed me ewi asenya wo dia Odi obia tem obia so because of the information beba watch it kwaje me who information never bra some can't tell we asesa me a virgin enti kwaje information na kire say me virgin no fabra after all you di me no mama asesa ye di me ne me die na wo feel say wo gu mani ase no mama asesa o nyame ehia me Nyankopon wa hira me wo was ka dan makrampa you don't feed me share with aminim wo e mommy did to say gata so ni bi please e mommy did to say the wo wi ase next level we nyina yo baby fato please what is that aden me wo audio me wo video wa hu me audio wa hu me video say John mama jam no fan come the other man or the manner mesume the other man the beba you are wrong information where you have failed I don't have any audio and any video about anybody President Mahama minini ni hwe ye minini video minini audio minye jimi for video no so no obi anko dem a business no recording video so obi nya wo mpena na one ne kwadem a business no recording video It's a mama on your plan. Sit down on the video. That is my question. On your plan. A best man on video. A best man on audio. Aden. Asama ba ya kan no to munti. What continue to wash a shirt, wash a space. Meeting now join back to our sakofie kwado. Why you not putting it in the mouth? Ah, okay, I won't shout again. Why? Go and take care of him. I'm coming. Call him with my phone. Hurry up. My phone never on. Fafren.
But it doesn't.
Fabra, let me be.
Okay, but.
Kwaje me ho paper. Docket ma. Never better na so Wednesday nyame boa ne kasa. Kwaje me ho documents. The ones you think you have. And I'll be on a foolish girl. And I'll Aden. Oh, he's already opened.
Oh, yes. I was just watching video with Tinshi the whole time. That is my best friend. Best sister.
That's it. Call him and tell him you're waiting for him. Foolish girl. Uchele ta o talk for na initial no. And I want them Kumase and I plus D1 A plus. And the anyway disgrace ana. And why again? A plus in your bada. Nasa wa beka chira wa. E achievement ana. Ugu me many mass. Me de na make an your bi irene mi o. Edie enya ningwasie o. Wa so na aka ye. Edie enya ningwasie o. So obi ye me ho ade na obi ne me koda eno na obetumi aye de wo ye no. Na plus ne koda ne ko be blackmail no. Mi jai menyame. A plus ni me koda ne ka me ko blackmail no. Enti A plus anfa ma me na makonye obi fofora wo hwe me no. Eno e say de. Eno no e say den, e ye den. Wo kan ye no, wo ye den. Wo gu Tracy Boakye ni ma se na wa te me nkwa na so. What to mean kwana so ana? Why den? E den na wa achieve in what you said. Foolish girl ni den there. Woni me minimum. What is all this? Yenya wo na de bia de obi atem. Yenja wo ye kan no asoma manfo no abopa. Yenya wo na de obi atem. Me pa cho. Mini obia ni mini President Mahama ni hweye. Mini obia audio, mini obia video. I am not blackmailing anybody. I am not blackmailing anybody. Nyame be tua meka if I blackmail anybody because nipa no onye me hwe. I don't have problem with the former president. I beg you. I respect that man so much. Me papa na sam I respect him and some more can meet me to be na me ma hwe me but na ma mene because yes ma me nkasa biem. To the extent say because now TV so didi matem. Said the other baby money from a foolish girl, Menasi Chele. Share Menasi Chele cry a Yankopon as a Sammy Shebre. Menasi Chele Chela Kajapon, Yankopon was a Sammy Shebre. Chele no Yamia Yimia Frimu. Say Yankopon ball berry as an dollars ago home boy, and now the eyes are now dear Nini, and to the Sika or Hosa, and Caho, me patch on me free baby, now be pay baby, me na me pen abanesao. Me pono. Time I will come asem no me na me pen na me ma ne ba ne sa o me na maso den and ye de me 2 kwan me se me ntina better na ga no because this is how I want my life. This is how I want my life. My friend will be out top money da minim wo many way e ho da minim wo. I've not seen you before. You just come and sit on your TV and insult me for what? Because you and some more social media. What's your one side? And kapenimu sebe. Katia the other side is also nkajeje. You just listen to something. You just come and sit on your TV and insult me. I said I'm your classmate. I said me no na politics. I crack it to on how bit me I won't know. I didn't know also want me whole time po. I didn't know also dream me. What dream me who I call you me whole story you really? Me pacho, please, I'm making this clear. Men blackmail obia. Se me jina kwa hu na nye start o me fia e me life. Dia me pe na me de me body no eye. Dia me pe e na me de me body we no eye. Isha papa text me log off please. Aden. What is it? Has she stopped crying? She's asleep, okay. Thank you, I'm coming. Matty, I'm going off. Please, I came here to make things clear. I am not blackmailing anybody. Mebano papa, I have decided to keep my relationship private. And you will be pressure. And you will be kokokotana TV edidi matem. And abema me de me private life about bonting. I have decided to keep my private life to myself. You can give my baby to whoever. And when you're in Yedenyamia say, Mebano, me call off, I'm going off. Mebano, on your bastard. She has a father and a very responsible father. Leave Agyapong and this one problem. Deal with it. And family mefra. Opejo, and the opejo mama, so open mama said, it's me now, me very cheap here. Me pacho, leave me out of it. Leave me out of it. Leave me out. I know how dirty you can go. If you are nigga see so kokoko you said it. Leave me out. If you are going to be when you kakra, me yeoba. Leave me out. Leave me out. And remember when me aden nyina amfa listing bro. Omo nyina ka chom so omo hu me omo timi hwe me tutu. Omo hu me abuso so omo timi hwe me. They are super proud of me because nyame adom omo ja me no. I have moved on. My ex-boy Ben is always catching me. My ex-boy Ben is why ye chain me. Nyaminti me nko from bi mu da because adwen papa wo mitim. Me ndwen nipa ho adwen bone. Bema ben no se oni me dating post oni ma dating ampa. A oni me agya ya me ya santo a wo hu me a makọ from. Me si nyaminti me nya mo boda me nko from da. Enti nyame bo a Wednesday metwen. Fa wo list bra de obeba be kan no no. Dia wo ya no no. Omo ma di amanfo na ade ba. Nigel na yesofo me nya sofo. Me sister list no de bana bin kan kra me a me de aka be kan ho am. Edie. Nya be ma papa no ndu ne hwe ne de. Edie ye de. What is that? Mama friend me no. Or TV so did matem. Didn't you see it? I did atem kwa me ho. The problem Kennedy Agyapong is trying to create between me and the President Mahama and the no. Please. Me blackmail obia. I have not blackmailed anybody. I have not blackmailed anybody. Me fa video ni audio command dem man video ben audio ben e wa hen. De ensem yakwa akodrin ti video ni audio bi wo ho na e maaye. De ensem yakwa akodrin. Ana na munya papa no ma nya ne campaign. Aden ana munja papa no me ni obi anya ntokwa na me se papa no a. Aden ti na mu kofa President Mahama dia be hye ho. Aden na mu ka mo yesa. Because papa no mu kana won kasa. Enti obi a pese obi asam to papa ne so. Aden because the man will not come and talk. The piano mo de kwasha no mo fa ne picture creative art for nyina wo ho amene papa etwa ye nyina. Mako fa beto mo go papa nani ma ase. Aden. Why? To the extent of going on TV to insult me, say me tell what any den. Why? Kennedy Agyapong me did what that? My bow didn't powder. Instead of also unya me whole time cut now TV so did my time. Why? Oh yeah, me na come on to obetu I was party Tracy or video Tracy or audio me phone here. Obi a me from my phones and share some video ni audio. Na video cry no dem person me can say obi nya wo mpena. Esi na kodem akonya video. Obi nya wo mpena business na won na de odo ho nkoma record no. Na busa say me the video ba bonti sesi ana menya de. Empo se video wo ho ampa na me de ba. What will I gain? Enti majimi se menya panimu se me mpena ni obi ampa menya panimu a wo hwe me ma no na makọ blackmailing no. Me de me di nyanso. How she waking up? Oh sorry. Me de me di nyanso. Say am pampo se me ni pani bi dating na. I will never do that. I will never ever do that. Blackmail for what? What video? What audio? What is this? What audio? For you to sit on your TV and insult me. Obi awadi obi die. Bring a different topic. So we'll throw obi a shower. I'm going off, please. I'm going off. We'll throw obi a shower ni obi a wadi obi ne die. Jai can't fa bibi for bra. Ne die any news wa me life mo. Fa bibi for bra. Any a di me no menya kubolo. Ye di me no menya kubolo. Me di aya de papa. Ye di me no ma moka. Enti who go list ba. All these people will be proud of me because ye di me no me di ya de papa. Ye di me no ma moka. Ma moka. Ah ni pa join ho a. Una Facebook anu akọ na tu. Na ni chele wote bi na hwan. Me chele wote won share chele wote da. Penifoni ebuma. You should stop this. Stop it. Nigel the anu ya sofo. Abini mo ya sofo. And you come on make bio. Me I'm not under anybody. And you be me. I am not under anybody. I don't lose anything. Kennedy Agyapong, men count. So ye be ma me sister dina pa na sum. Ne to pesa ma me no dwen san fa me ho. What problem are you creating? Who person ma me no dwen san fa me ho. Na me wa me mpena na me di me kwatie na mo di hye obi sa aden. It's enough. Because President Mahama will not come out and talk. And I mean, so I've been advised to keep quiet. And today, very so, young can someone to me so. Actually, me na no man, nobody be able to bomb it to him. Adaya, many obi a minim no na war, may blackmail obi. Adia wuye, how do you want NDC people to think about me? What person NDC for? I'm a drink saying, mommy. Some may blackmail you, I'm a flag bearer. Really? Really? Okay. Video call audio call emra bontio na me ho meti. Emra na me ho ntome. Me say wa me video bia, bring it out. I dare you. Wa audio bia, bring it out. I dare you. Enough is enough. What video? What audio? Away. Baby, I'm saying I can't do video or audio. Away. Me the man from any from our TV station so. Me from any man from our TV station so. You don't feed me. And from any man from our TV station so. Me from any man from our TV station so. Please. Abusia for me call. Number Wednesday on for listening, right? Say me try no me say me a virgin. Me dia me nya virgin o. Me ja me ho bi me yeso me de ja de papa. Me moka. And I said wa besre me. Ye do dia no wanya. Aden A+ ne da. A+ ne why die no blackmailing na one first scam. What is that? What is that? Na A+ ne mi ada no one first scam me mpa. Wo na wa no so. Wo na beba beka. Wo na ye dia jaw. Wo na beba beka. Nano aye nim gwase A+ oye ba fine na A+ oye ba fine ana A+ ne nan twitwa na A+ onye nipa na aden obi ni obi da bia wo na abeka ye da ye de camera si ho ana ye record kirewo da bia obi ni obi da wo na wote because you pay money. Leave me alone and do your show. Leave me out of your issue.